Yes, I am Tim Hulsen from Philips. So very recently, actually a few weeks ago only, we have launched our database. So this is the Brecise Clinical Data Lake. And this is like the main thing of the work package 6, where all the data will be stored in. So the Brecise Clinical Data Lake that we just launched, that will store all the data and metadata coming from the project. So also results data that will come back from the analysis will be stored there. And we will combine it into one large database that will cover all milestones, in fact. So one of the challenges we had was actually to get all the user requirements together for the database. So what we actually want to reach within the project is that all the local partners' IT tools can connect to our central database. And that's actually a very difficult process because they all have their own software running and we should connect that with our clinical data lake. So that's what we worked on, but we already tried to get as much as input as possible, and I will also demo the Brecise data lake in this meeting. Yes, so we worked with work package 1, in fact, to create a data management plan, because that is really closely connected to our work package, because the data management plan really describes how we store all the data and how we bring it to the database. And also work package 2 we work together with, because this work package creates this use case tech requirements file, and there we also describe how the local tools will connect to our central database. So for the next year, indeed, we need to finish this use case tech requirements file. We should enter all kinds of data and metadata into our central database. And we also are creating a codebook as part of work package 6. And this is a document that describes all the data items and the metadata connected to the data. Yeah, so the Brecise platform will actually function as a central hub to store all the data incoming from the other work packages and from the use cases, and people can also collaborate there. So it's not only a space to store data, but also to share documents, for example, presentations or other project documents. And also it will connect to all kinds of AI tools that people are working with. So it's really like a central hub for the whole project. Yeah, so I think when the project is finished, it will host all the data and metadata. So it's really like a very rich data set that can be reused also for other projects. Plus it contains all the necessary documentation that people can use, for example, to recreate data or use it for other projects.